Problem B is construct a quadrilateral best with B is equals to 2.9 centimeters, ES is equals to 3.2 centimeters, ST is equals to 2.7 centimeters, BT it is equals to 3.4 centimeters, and B is equals to 75 degrees. So let us go to analysis. Here 5 measurements are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can construct easily. But given angle is angle B. So the included side is BE or BT. So it is better to take BE as a base. So take BE is equals to 2.9 centimeters as a base. 2.9 centimeters. 2.5, 2.6, 7, 8, 9. B E 2.9 centimeters, and construct 75 degrees with protractor. Zero, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. See, two types of measurements are given here. This up 0 to 180, down 0 to 180 anti-clockwise direction. You see down only because the line based with the down line, where the 0 here down. So from the down you see that is 75 degrees, 70, 80. So 75 degrees. Mark 75 degrees. Draw a ray BX making an angle 75 degrees with line segment BE. Steps of construction. The first step is draw a line segment B is equals to 2.9 centimeters. Step 2 is to construct 75 degrees. Draw a ray BX making an angle 75 degrees with the side BA. To get BT 3.4 centimeters, so with compass take 3.4 centimeters. Take 3.4 centimeters with compass, and from B (3.4 centimeters) draw an arc. It cuts the ray BX at T. So BT is 3.4 centimeters. Step 3 is take B as center. 3.4 centimeters as radius. Draw an arc. It cuts the ray BX at T. To locate S, ES is 3.2 centimeters. So with compass, take 3.2 centimeters. So from E, with this 3.2 centimeters, draw an arc. Take E as center, 3.2 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. And again ST is equals to 2.7 centimeters. So to get ST 2.7 centimeters, with compass take 2.7 centimeters. With the help of this 2.7 from T as center, with this 2.7 centimeters, draw an arc. They intersect at S. So in this step only, again take T as center, 2.7 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. They intersect, the two arcs intersect at S. Now fifth step is join ES and TS. So this is the required quadrilateral best. Therefore, the required quadrilateral best is constructed.